What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Tuner Things. My name is Steve. I'm outside with my son Adam, and I know it's been a while. I had to fly back to the East Coast and drive my mom's 2020 Subaru Forester, attached with a 4x8 trailer, which was kind of sketchy, way over its tow capacity, but we made it. Now she's moved out here, so yeah, that's where I've been, and just kind of been doing my thing. The last couple days it's been extremely snowy, which we desperately needed. I have a couple of my plants that got caught in the snow up there, and a bunch of stuff from my childhood room, from my mom's house since she moved out. So that's the chest back there. I'm not gonna be pulling the Civic out, but it has not been started in a while. So I'm going to get it started and at least idle it a little bit in here in the garage. So let's get to it.
Now let's see that works. Yeah, it works. Then this is good.
Yep. All right, let's get the jump box.
Jump box for now. And I will bring that up now. We need this thing on that jump box.
Yep. All right, this is gonna be a little loud, big guy. All right, so as you guys can see, she starts up, runs just fine, but yeah, I do need to just keep it going for a little bit. I don't have my laptop to work on the tune at all, and the roads are still icy, so I'm not gonna be taking it out. But I do need to fix the oil leak on the turbo drain. So I'm gonna be using some sealant. I've tried replacing the gasket like 4 or 5 times. So anyway, I wanna leave this open so we don't die of fumes. I'll probably go and open that now, actually. Give us some crosswind. And I'm just gonna leave it running for a while. Let it warm up. To finally be back in this thing. I really want to take it out and rip it, at least around the neighborhood. So, yeah. Yeah, all right. Yeah. Got this window regulator I have to put in. Hopefully it's the right one. I've had it for a number of years, so I'm just gonna match it up here and see what we've got going on. This was a pain in the butt to get off. The whole door panel was like cracked, ugly. So, but I'm just gonna get to it. Gonna start taking bolts off and see what we have. I don't know. All right, guys, with my mechanic's help back there, we managed to get the window done. Look at that. Perfect. So now I'm gonna repair the door card because it is old and jacked. It's just chilling over there. and put this all back together, hopefully in one piece. If I can't fix it, I'm not putting the door card back on. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Peace out, Cub Scouts.